Okay, we are going to say some short sentences in different language. She's actually going to say it in Anambra language, and me, I'm going to say it in Abia language. So somebody's going to ask us.
The question.
Let's go.
How do you say good morning in your language?
Ụtụtụ ọma.
Igbapele.
Is it it of you sorry?
Yeah. Yeah, just of us.
How do you say I love you in your language?
Ahụrụ m gị n'anya.
It's the same. Our own is also the same thing. Ahụrụ m gị n'anya.
Then how do you greet your mom? Good morning.
Mami, ụtụtụ ọma.
Summer is general Igbo.
Okay. What's your best food in your languages?
Okay.
Nri ka well like ili.
Elee nri ịkacha afụ n'anya? Jesus, I'm saying rubbish.
Never say it. That's not what do. I go reach there. You have to be like this. Oh, no. After my sister practice it, I go like that.
Alright, now let's go.
In the morning, we'll continue again. Bag. What do you call bag in Igbo language?
Akpa.
Akpa.
What do you call fan in Igbo language?
Ikuku.
What do you call television in Igbo language?
Onyonyo.
What do you call your mom in Igbo language?
Ma.
Nne m.
What do you call fan in Igbo language?
Ọ bụ nọọ hand fan. Ya na-akpọ ya bụ akụpe.
Akupa.
What do you call bread in Igbo language?
Nwunye.
What do you call ass? The place where you stay in Igbo language.
Ass.
Is it house?
House.
Okay. Ụlọ.
Okay, what do you call telephone?
Ekwentị, yes.
Just count 1 to 20 in Igbo language.
Okay.
Otu,
abụọ, atọ, anọ, ise, isii,
asaa,
asatọ, itoolu,
iteghete, iri na otu,
iri na abụọ, iri na atọ, iri na anọ, iri na ise, iri na isii, iri na asaa, iri na asatọ, iri na itoolu, iri abụọ.
Yeah, what do you call your kid in Igbo language?
Igwe or eze?
Or Igwe.
Okay, Igwe.
Eze is the same thing now.
Our language is Igwe. No one knows why eze.
It's still the same meaning.
All depends.
Same meaning.